Hi, this is Alan Ackles. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. One of the most unique elements of high-performance vehicles is the direct flow of exhaust systems called glass packs. These absorption-based exhaust systems utilize specialized high-temperature thermal and acoustical insulation to absorb and dissipate heat and noise while providing significant technical and performance advantages over standard mechanically baffled exhaust systems. Today we're in Canandaigua, New York, and home of the Bristol Core Corporation, or BCI. Founded in 2008 by Morgan Curtis, BCI is the technology leader in innovative exhaust system acoustical and thermal insulation solutions for high-performance vehicles. Direct flow absorption systems used in high-performance vehicles must withstand extreme temperatures and pressures in the exhaust. Standard fiberglass insulation can mechanically and thermally break down, leading to dangerous sound levels, fire-causing shell temperatures, reduced engine performance, and increased fuel consumption. Each BCI solution is custom designed with select materials and is designed and tested to meet the specific application requirements, complex unit configurations, and optimal installation methods, maximizing the performance, durability, and value of the system. Durability testing and material knowledge is at the core of BCI's design process. To address customers' requirements, BCI manufactures Racetex products with globally sourced high-quality, high-temperature continuous filament materials using their in-house, made-in-America proprietary manufacturing processes. Fibers are modified with air texturizing, needle punching, matte forming, and a variety of slitting, sewing, and other valuable converting operations. BCI is ISO 9001 certified to ensure the quality and consistency for these demanding applications. Visit BCI today at bciracetex.com. This is Alan Ackles for Manufacturing Marvels.